Hi guys, this is Miss Davis here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the take from 10 when doing a number bond. So today's lesson is Module 2, Lesson 15. And today's lesson is a little bit more difficult because we're kind of getting away from the pictures and the math drawings and we're going more into just doing a number bond instead. So whenever we do the take from 10, whenever we're doing a number bond, our first step is that we just need to read the number sentence. We need to really understand what this number sentence is saying. Saying 14 minus 9 equals blank. We know there's 14 and a minus 9, which means minus is that takeaway, equals blank. We have to figure that out. Our step number 2 is that we have to break apart the teen number the say 10 way in our number bond. Now the way that we're going to do our number bond is that we're going to be breaking apart this teen number, which is 14, to the number bond. And if you notice that our number bond is broken apart on that teen number that's actually in the number sentence already. And so we remember that 14 the say 10 way is going to be 10 and whatever's left, which in this case 14 is 10, 4. Our next step number 3, is that we're going to take 9 from 10. So the way we show that is that we cross out 9. So then we took 9 away from 10. We cross out 10. So we took 9 away from 10. We know there's 1 left. We know that 1's left because we know that if we took 9 away from 10, we know there's 1. Because we know that 9 and 1 are 10 buddies. Because we know that 9 and 1 equals 10. We know that if we take 9 away from 10, we know that 1 would be left. Then our step number 4 is that we are going to circle our leftovers. Well, there was 4 left over from the number bond and then 1 once we took 9 away from 10. And we're going to add these leftovers together. We know that 1 plus 4, oh, that's easy. We know 1 plus 4 is 5. Since we know that 1 plus 4 is 5, we know that 14 minus 9 also equals 5. Now, since we're just starting to learn this, we can always just do a little math drawing to double check our work. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do my teen number. I'm going to actually draw it 10 circles and 4 circles that 10 way, box in 10, and I want to take away 9 by crossing it out and circling the rest. Oh look, there's 1 inside the box and 4 outside, so we know that 1 plus 4 is 5. Yep, check, it is the same thing. Alright guys, thank you.